bitch ass. You bootleg chat with Bozeman Bill, bitch. You actually on the color of your goddamn body and you Sharpie. You said, wanna try? What immediately? Bitch ass nigga, shut your bitch ass up. Shut your faggot ass up, you ugly ass nigga. You stupid ass look like a goddamn kitty cat, kitty pat, octopus on the goddamn beach, you little bitch ass. Shut your bitch ass up, boy. Shut your nasty ass up, you ugly ass nigga. I don't know why the fuck I'm trying to come out to like that. You ugly bitch. You bitch ass. I'm gonna rob your mother for a look. Bubble, you a bitch ass. You stupid ass look on a bunch of you ran out there trying to buy a belt from we need your bitch ass. Shut your bitch ass up. Bitch, don't you ugly ass nigga. Shut your dirty ass nigga. Dumbass trying to hit the doggy ass fucking McDonald's playground and then you accidentally open up a goddamn pool after said, I am a fucking hoe. I love it. Bitch, let me fucking bitch ass. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. You ugly shit. You stupid ass was over here counting bread talking about some all these niggas hating on me. But it don't make no make because I'm still getting rich. Bitch ass nigga. Shut your bitch ass up. Shut your nasty that covered ass up. You ugly ass nigga. You don't have to go goddamn ugly. You put on the goddamn sweatshirt. You accidentally drive with your goddamn skin. You start playing keep all over you bitch ass. Shut your bitch ass up. You ugly ass nigga. You stupid ass looks like a goddamn discombobulated bitch. You bitch ass. Shut your bitch ass up. You ugly ass nigga. Monkey, you will not beat me. I am the legendary Tyrant Rita. Give me back my honey bun. Inverted kneecaps ass nigga. Shut your bitch ass up. You stupid ass who love your sucking dildos when E came. You a bitch ass boy. Shut your fat ass up. Shut your bitch ass up. Ugly ass nigga.
He on your having a mental breakdown, bro.
Bitch ass nigga.
Yo, nigga reaching. Nigga reaching.
Oh, nah, never.
Stupid ass up, nigga. I'm on yes, boy. You gymnastics, nasty ass nigga. I'm on yes, boy. Nigga thought he was doing a split and relax.
Shut up, nigga. Shut your dirty fuck up. You fucking back in this y'all. You shut your bitch ass up. You feel like why me and me build that shut your fat ass fuck up. You said that you over here trying to back stage for cases about pure racial little D1 built that. You stupid ass look like a blue like sperm to your little bitch ass. Shut your bitch ass up. You ugly nigga. You ugly nigga. You long Pinocchio nose. That's you fucking back nose. You ugly shit nigga. Shut your bitch ass up. You little dumb as you were goddamn ghosting because you trying to eat your fucking cousin like you was a fucking honey bun bitch ass nigga. Nigga said, ha, Majin Buu, I will defeat you. Ha, bitch ass nigga. You fucking back in the nigga. You fucking bad nigga. You ugly ass nigga. You big body ass nigga. You ugly ass small penis having ass nigga. You ugly ass fat finger KFC chicken grease butted bitch. Fuck you nigga. Fuck you.
The rage amp didn't work, bro.
Hey.
Yo, go Kyle Ken.